Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, where we teach you basic tutorials on games. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can use jam loops in Fortnite. So to do this, firstly you need to head over to your locker and scroll down a bit till you find jam tracks, and in your inventory jam tracks you need to equip your jam tracks in any one of these slots. Once you have done that, you need to load up your game, and once you're in the game, simply click on your emote key binding, scroll for a bit until you find the locker jam loops, and you just need to click on one of them and you will start doing the jam loop emote. So that's how you guys use jam loops in Fortnite. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also please comment down below what video you guys want us to cover next, and I will simply do so. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.